Hey guys, it's Andrea, and today I'm coming at you with my new releases for this week. We have so much to release this week, so let's go ahead and get into it. So first things first is I do have the next two sets of labels for kit binders. So these you put on like the little sleeves and you can put your kits in for the weeks and pre-plan them. So I do have March 1st through June 27th, and then I have June 28th through October 17th, and these are for 2021, so I'll be adding these to the shop, and they're just the same as they've been for the past couple of sheets. Then I do have some foil releases for this week. I kind of kept it a little bit easier because we do have a lot of kits this week and I needed to get these up. So these are extras from Mystery. So we do have a silver twinkle, and then the only thing that is different about these than our normal foil bundles is for the full box page, there is only 3 of them like they are in Mystery. So these are Mystery overstock. So we do not have a ton of these, but I will be listing them Wednesday at noon Eastern. So again, I do have Silver Twinkle. I think this was June. I'm not sure. And then there is Silver Bow. Actually, that might have been June, but Silver Bow. There is Gold Star, and then also Copper Chunky. So those will all be available this Wednesday at noon Eastern. And like I said, there are not a ton of those. So those are just like overstock. I do have one monthly kit for this week, which is a Christmas monthly. It is so, so cute. So this is kind of like a little crafty Christmas, which I love. I love the like classic colors. And these monthlies are for Aura Estelle Cloud. All of the monthlies in shop are, so they do fit those inserts. Those inserts are 1.5 wide, so you can use extras from your kits in there. You can use any 1.5 like functional boxes you buy, like our foiled ones will work in there as well. There's also the option if you want to add on the deco sidebar, and also the option if you want to add on the functional sidebar. So that is the Aura Estelle monthlies that we have for this month, or not for this month, but for this release. I do have one mini kit exclusive, which is the Flying Elephant kit, which is based off of the Dumbo Loungefly collection, which I think this is so cute. I went with the pastel color scheme. I don't know, because I thought it was really pretty, and I really loved the blue with this, like, I don't know what color this is, like coral, like a light coral. I think it's really pretty with the marble, so you could bring in marble multicolor. I love this little like treats box. Actually, there's like a lot of treats through here, and I'm just like here for all of it, and I think it's so cute. I love these colors together. You have the faux gold glitter throughout, which I think is so pretty. And then you have the bottom washi, which is the marble with the gold glitter. And then there is also the little castle scene, which is so cute. I just had to throw it in there. I thought it looked super, super pretty. So that is the Flying Elephant collection, which is just perfection. It does have the freebie of the squared boxes that have the gold glitter on there. There is the 15mm strip, which is the gradient of all the colors. There is some fashion add-on if you want to add that on. They're so cute. The glitter header add-on, and then the label add-on. So that is a mini kit exclusive, so it won't be available in an ultimate kit. We do have 3 other ultimate kits though this week, one of them being exclusive that I haven't shown yet. So the first one in here is Mary Magique, which is a like Disney winter kind of vibes. It has a little bit like a Christmas kind of feel, but I feel like you could totally use this one in like January, and it'd be so pretty with these colors. I am in love with everything about this. I love the girls. I love this scene. It's so, so cute. You have your extra boxes here, which has the castle and then the ice cream. There is a faux silver glitter throughout, which I love. I love these colors, are like everything. Probably my favorite winter palette ever. The little things, and then the bottom washi, and then this one has the clear with black scripts on it. I am just in love with this kit. I told Jess, who drew this art, I was like, I'm having a real internal struggle. I think I told Kirsten too about, you know, if I should use these now or wait until I'm like able to go to Disney. And it's just so hard because they're so pretty. But I'm like, I want to use it for Disney because they're perfect. And then this is the mini kit. There is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. There's the option if you want to add on the glitter headers, the label sampler. And then there's also Fashion Girls, which how cute is this girl with the balloons with the castle in the background? It's everything. It's everything. I love it so much. So that is Mary Magique. Then we also have this kit here called Mrs. Claus, and I love this color palette. When this artist, Elaine, she sneaked this color palette, I was here for it. I think she released it in 2 different color palettes, but this one was my fave. I think they're such pretty, like, vintage Christmas colors, and the green and the, like, pink together. Everything. So first things first is you do have the full boxes, which, like, actually everything. Love these colors. The freebie is the Mrs. Claus in the 2 different skin tones, and then the marble in here, so you could use marble multicolor. You have your extra full boxes here, and then you have the deco page. Like, these colors are so pretty. They remind me of a kit, but I cannot put my finger on it. It was like a beachy summer kit though, but it is so cute. I love it, with the gold faux glitter throughout, the like sweater pattern bottom washi. Living for it. I think I said it also does come in a mini kit. Let me go ahead and show you guys the options for add-ons. So if you want to add on the 15mm strip, again, that pink and the green together are perfect. The label sampler, and then also the glitter headers if you want to add those on. And last but not least, this is actually, I'm like flying through this. Flying through it. I'm excited because I'm going to be filming the mystery reveal next, which will go up Wednesday. We're dropping them at the post office on Tuesday. You'll probably get shipping notifications on Monday. So the next kit, which I'm so excited about, is exclusive art, and I was just so pumped to do this. It's so pretty. So it does come in a mini kit, and this is called Magical Morning, which I love this so much. Jess thought of that name, and I was like, it is perfection. So first things first, it is like a magical home kind of kit. Again, I think this could be really pretty in January as well. Or if you do like Christmas and January winter things, like a transition with like the pinks into like Valentine's Day. So you have a lot of different like Disney inspired bits in here. I love this girl with the pink hair, and then you have like a little kiddo decorating the tree. You have a scene of a really like decked out holiday Disney magic kind of explosion, gingerbread house, some movies, wrapping supplies, cookies, presents, all the good stuff. And then on the extra boxes, you have a little close-up of the little cookie and carrot that's been eaten, and then like just this girl with her Ugg boots I just could not use. You have silver glitter throughout. You have really pretty pink and blue color scheme with the gray. Lots of like plaid and sweater patterns, which I love. And then the bottom washi is like a sweater gray pattern with like silver glitter splattered throughout it. The extra full box here has another kiddo, so you could totally use these like this, and then they have different color outfits on, and then there's also like a little baby. None of them you can see skin tones, so they could work for literally any kid. So perfect. And that freebie also does come, of course, in the mini kit. All of the freebies that I showed do also come in the mini kit versions of the kit. And then let me go ahead and show you guys the extras. So there is the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip, which is a gradient from the lighter pink to the darker pink. You do have, accidentally used that in blue, but that's okay. That is the glitter headers for the kit, and then the label sampler, and then there is also the fashion, which are so cute. I love these so much. They're so pretty, and I love their hair. So that is everything for this week. Again, we do have Magic Morning. We have Mrs. Claus. We have Mary Magique. We have a lot of M's this week. And then also Flying Elephant, which is going to be our oddball starting with an F. And then also we do have the Crafty DIY Christmas monthly, and then the 4 foil bundles and the 2 kit labels. So that is everything for this week. I hope that you guys like this week's new releases. Again, mystery will be going up on Wednesday, and that's everything. So I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Bye.